Hello, everyone, and welcome to the third segment of our Women in STEM series. My name is Ashley Kopman, and I'm on the board of Codecraft Foundation. Today, Denise McRoberts and Jamaica Bell are joining me. You can check out Denise's story from segment 1 of this series. Today, we'll hear from Jamaica, who is currently an IT intern. Jamaica, thank you for sharing your story today. How did you first become interested in technology and cybersecurity?
Thanks for having me, Ashley. So, growing up, I've always had an interest in technology and how computers work. I remember when my family came home with our first family computer, and I was so fascinated about how when you typed on the keyboard and those things that you typed showed up on the computer screen. And so, in middle school, I made it my duty to sign up for some intro to computing classes. And this is where I learned a little bit more about how computers work. And then I gained my interest in cybersecurity when I had my first internship with the state of Florida. This is where I did, for the first time, penetration testing and vulnerability scanning. And so I was able to gain more interest in cybersecurity through this internship.
That's great, Jamaica. Thank you. Were there any key individuals in your life that helped you realize your interest?
Yes, very small world. The other IT intern at the state of Florida was actually my friend, very close friend of mine from high school and middle school, and her degree was actually in cybersecurity. So working with her was very fun. We went to a lot of the cybersecurity conferences and summits in Tallahassee together, and I was able to lean on her for questions, and she was able to give me more insight about cybersecurity as she had a little bit more experience than I did. So she definitely helped spark my interest in the cybersecurity.
Great.
That's great. Do you have any recommendations for those entering high school or college and that would help them grow in technology or STEM?
Yes, for high school students, I would definitely recommend that you take some courses, some different elective courses, especially in STEM, so you can gauge your interest on what you're interested in from early. A lot of times in high school, we don't know exactly what we want to major in or what we want our career to be right out of high school. But I think if we take some more electives that we think that are closer to our interests, we can gain a better understanding of what we want to do for a career and what we want to major in. And then for high school and college students, I would definitely recommend joining different STEM clubs. I know for FSU, we have over 600 clubs on campus. And so you can definitely find some type of STEM club to be around different like minded individuals and to gain some more information about technology outside of the classroom.
That's great
Yeah,
advice.
that is. How did you first get an internship in IT or technology?
Yes, so the College of Business actually sends out weekly newsletters on internship opportunities, and this is how I found my first internship with the state of Florida.
Oh, great. So do you have any recommendations for others who are looking at doing internships in STEM?
Yes, one of the two biggest platforms that I used for applying for internships was Handshake and LinkedIn. So just keeping your LinkedIn profile and your Handshake profile up to date. Also utilizing the career fair. This is how I found my second internship. Um, Going to the STEM career fair as well, so you can get a little bit of both from the career fair and the STEM career fair, making sure that your resume is up to date and ready to go, and also doing research on the companies that you want to see at the career fair as well before you get there.
Great. That's all excellent advice. Thank you so much, Jamaica and Ashley, for joining us for this Codecraft Foundation Women in STEM series. Please be on the lookout for upcoming episodes. Thank you.